Shalini, I'm so happy to meet you here in India, in Bangalore. How are
Yes,
you doing?
I'm doing good, and thank you, Shweta, for it's such a pleasure to meet you as well.
Those who don't know, Shalini has written kindly a forward for my book, and I'm curious to know what made you write that. I mean, what make
Interesting. I think you have put a lot of actionable insights into this book. As an architect, you have experience of working across multiple technologies, but getting the insights of having an outside in view as well as getting into the inside of what different platform frameworks can be, what patterns can be, and your capability to share it, right? I mean, not many people share it with the industry. So your passion, your energies, and your consistent follow
wow,
up to make it, that yeah, that the forward should be written. So thank you. Yes, it was a pleasure writing it for you.
you being author yourself, why don't you tell us about your book? Though I know it, but it will be pleasure to hear.
Yes, so my book is AI for You, the New Game Changer. It's published by Bloomsbury, and I've written it with the co-author Sameet Mehta. So we both have worked a lot in building AI, creating AI, building products. A lot of products have launched globally. The idea behind this book was that, while I've been working with so many customers, uh, the Indian successful case studies of how they have built AI systems within their enterprises was missing at the time that I wrote the book. There are a lot of global examples, and AI mindset is what is needed to adopt AI.
Okay.
See, there's so much of hype around AI, but what's a mindset? What is it that you need to change in your culture, in your talent, in your strategy, in your technology is the last part, but your user experience. There are so many things that we have to build to understand that we can adopt AI and implement AI in the enterprises. So the book talks about insurance examples, banking examples, healthcare examples, and also the India AI mission. So it covers the entire gamut of industry.
It's a lot about experiential learning which you have put in, and with your great experience being ex-IBM fellow, doing a lot of stuff in AWS currently, it must have made a lot of difference. And nowadays we see a lot of book coming, but getting your experience and practical learning, I'm sure it will help people a lot. Another thing I'm curious to know, would you be able to throw any example to us with your experience where platform made all the difference and it was really a technology driven platform and not just, a namesake platform?
So I'll quote from your book because we are talking about your book, but your example of Apple that you have taken in your book, and also your concept of the six sides of the cube and the six sides of the whole platform space. That what we should look at, we have to look at the business models, because if you don't have the business models, then just getting the technology is not going to be the right thing.
Right.
So I think the six facets that you have looked at on the core business problems, on understanding how users will accept it. There are so many different aspects which are coming from consumers, from customers. New areas are getting exposed, and your Apple example definitely is quite in depth within the book. And I think that was very, very, very interesting take that you have, and I encourage all the readers to go through that.
Oh, that's awesome. That you quoted that example. And it could be the last thing which I can ask is, you being seasoned author have done so much for our industry. What's the wisdom and guidance for a new author like me?
So I think the most important thing is persistence and resilience, right? Keep at it. In simple words, uh, we get a lot of insights, we learn a lot from the industry, but giving back to the industry in a framework which is easily understandable by readers is not an easy thing. So how you can simplify things for people to absorb and for people to accept it and make changes in their own industry practices is an important. So my advice would be, keep at it, keep doing it, and keep sharing your knowledge.
Wow, thank you so much. And I again really thank from bottom of my heart for doing
Sure.
writing forward for me.